हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। तो जैसे कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि एमबीए की इंटरव्यू के कॉल्स आने शुरू हो गए हैं। तो आई विल बी शेयरिंग माय इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ निटी मुंबई दैट हैज़ बीन कन्वर्टेड टू आई मुंबई। आई वाज एबल टू क्रैक दैट इंटरव्यू, सो आई विल बी शेयरिंग दोज क्वेश्चन दैट हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड टू मी एंड हाउ आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड आंसर ऑफ दोज क्वेश्चन। तो एमबीए कॉलेज में मोस्टली क्या क्या चीज़ें चेक करते हैं? आपका बैकग्राउंड, अगर आपका पास वर्क एक्स है तो वो, आपकी किस कॉलेज से हैं, आप किस सिटी से हैं, ये सब चीज़ें बेसिक रहती है। करंट अफेयर से रिलेटेड चीज़ें रहती है। आप जिस भी कॉलेज के लिए जा रहे हैं, कुछ कॉलेज एचआर के लिए अच्छे हैं, कुछ कॉलेज फाइनेंस के लिए अच्छे हैं, कुछ कॉलेज में ऑपरेशन अच्छा है, किसी का लॉजिस्टिक अच्छा है। तो आपसे उस तरह की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक की डिमांड भी देखते हैं वो कि आपके अंदर वो चीज़ है या नहीं है। तो आई विल बी शेयरिंग माई निटी मुंबई एक्सपीरियंस, दैट इज़ आई एम मुंबई एक्सपीरियंस एंड हाउ आई हैव क्रैक्ड इट। तो जब इंटरव्यू शुरू किया था उन्होंने, तो आई वॉज डूइंग अ जॉब इन महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा। तो आई वॉज इन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनी देर। तो आई डिड माई they asked me about my background, so I told them that I belong to Pali district, Rajasthan. I did my BTech in mechanical engineering from RTU Kota. After that I did my MTech in design engineering from NIT Jaipur, and currently I'm pursuing currently I'm doing a job in Mahindra and Mahindra in the research department, in the electric vehicle dynamics department. So they say that okay. And after that they asked me some questions about like why do I want to join NITI. तो मतलब आप किसी भी कॉलेज में जाएंगे तो दे विल आस्क यू वाई MBA, वाई नॉट PhD, वाई नॉट MTech, वाई नॉट गो फॉर अदर थिंग्स, वाई MBA। सो आपका वो चीज़ क्लियर होना चाहिए। अगर क्लियर नहीं है तो क्लियर कर लेंगे। तो माई आंसर फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन दैट वाई MBA, तो आई हैव read a quote of Naval Ravikant somewhere. He said that be a builder and a seller. Elon Musk is a builder. He is a design engineer also, and he know how to sell also. So as a coming from mechanical engineering background, I said that I am a builder, and now I want to know how to sell things. That's why I want to do. That's why I want to pursue an MBA course, and I believe that NITI or any IIM will help me. Okay, then after that they asked me like what is my work profile in Mahindra. So I told them that I do this analysis and this simulation, and what are the work profile that I'm working on. Okay, and they asked me about like what are your future goals, like where do you see yourself after 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. So I told them that I want to be in agriculture sector. Why? Because I have read some data of agriculture that India holds around 5 lakh villages, around 1.5 lakh has sugarcane, or around 1.5 lakh have cotton. So these industry can be put together in a logistic way. As IIM Mumbai was more of a operation and logistic institute, so I said that I believe that by doing that MBA, I will be able to connect the dots. I will be able to increase the farmers' income. Agriculture products, agriculture waste that has been increases. I want to reduce it, and I believe that I can make somehow something around it, and I will figure it out, and I believe Native will help me. So yeah, like this was my answer. And they asked me like okay, and they got to at this year current new income tax rules were there, introduced first time. It was in 2023. So they asked me like do you read any newspaper. So I said yes, recently I was reading about this new income tax. So they asked me question from this question, from income tax question. They asked me, so like did you pay income tax. So I said yes, I pay income tax this. So they asked me like which regime you are in new tax regime or you are in old tax regime. So I said that I am in new tax regime. So that why not old tax regime? Because I told them that because I don't have the capability to I don't have the digestive things, like I don't have a home loan that will make me able to get old tax regime more beneficial. If I have a home loan, if I have other beneficial things that they have given tax relief, then I would have gone for old tax regime. But new tax regime is more suitable to my needs. So okay, then they asked me like do you know what is PPF limit of government that they have that was in old tax regime. I said yes, it was around 1.5 lakh. Then they asked me why 1.5 lakh. I said that because government wants people to having a future that is secure. So they ask me why not they increase the limit of 1.5 lakh. If they increase the limit of 1.5 lakh, then that will only increase a person's security, no? Then why not the government want people to invest more than 1.5 lakh? If they say that 2.5 lakh will be tax free, then more people will save money. Why not government doing this? So I was initially like I was reading about mutual funds and other. So I give the example of Parag Parikh mutual fund at that time, that during the initial year it was around 25,000 crore. It was around 5,000 crore, 6,000 crore. But initially, if you see the growth, it was become 5-6,000 crore. To next year it become 12,000 crore. After next year it become 24,000 crore. But when it goes to a saturated limit, it cannot double itself. Reliance Industries 20 lakh crore rupees. It will not going next year 40 lakh crore rupees. And government need to pay a certain 7%, 8% interest rate on PPF. If government get more fund, then they will not be able to get those return back. And government will not be able to give the person benefit of that. So government wants person to have a secure future, but certain amount of money only that can be secured by the government. That is why government have not increases that 1.5 lakh limit. Okay, then they ask me some question from Mahindra only, and work basis only. Then they ask me like how do you choose a supplier? So I told them that I'm in a R&D department. I don't know about it. Then they ask me if you have to build a product, then how do you going to choose a supplier? So basic things that I have told, that it should be a quality. The person should be reputable in his job. He should have done similar projects. He should have done similar project, and also he should have that capability to do those things. If I'm making a product, then he should have the needed machines in his workshop. He should have like a good reputation around it, and he should be able to meet the requirement at the time that he has given. And during those that's how I will build a supplier. But I'm not into a supplying department. That's all I told them, that I'm not into supply. I'm not managing supplier in there. I'm just doing data analysis for Mahindra in that company. So they said okay. And they asked me some other questions regarding my background in engineering, but not more than this. This is how this interview goes. And if you ask me what are the things that I will tell to if you are going for any IIM interview this year, so I would say that prepare current affair related issue, like recently US Venezuela issue that has come across. The next thing, Ukraine Russia issue is long gone, but it's still in news sometime. You can also read about the silver and gold inflation, why it is increasing, why China is getting more silver, but they are reducing it, but they are not. They are putting restriction on export. They are buying it heavily because China want to control solar panel. The silver consume approximate 30% consumption by the silver is to the solar panel. Around 35% is going to semiconductor. The household use of silver is very less. Silver is a very good electricity conducting material. So that is why China wants to control the world silver, and that is why silver prices are getting very going above and above. It has become 2720 like it has become 270, 250, 270 around currently. So that is why silver prices are going very high. They can ask you this question: what is the RBI policy? If you are aware about the how government control the money and all things, you can also read about the current affairs related around your city or around the nation. And recently, what are the government policy of Fixi Bharat and all? Because you don't know where the interview is going, right? But sometimes if they want to grind you, they want to see that how do you work under pressure. And one thing I can tell you is that the greatest ornament you can wear in an interview or anywhere is a smile. So keep a smile on your face and be happy that you have the opportunity to give an interview. And you can always learn from these things. I remember that during I have given interview in 2021 also. So during 2021 they asked me, why do you want to join NITI? So I told them, because I want to earn in crores. So they laugh. And that year I was not selected. So I corrected my answer. Why do you want to join an MBA course? I corrected my answer. Through those iterative process only you will learn. And that's how we have to grow. We have to grow from inside out. That's a Vivekanand quote. Nobody can teach us. We have to become ourselves own teacher. And how we will teach us? By doing iteration of things. And thank you. If you have any query regarding, like if you are going for this year interview, or if you have any query regarding any questions regarding MBA, then some of my friends are in doing pursuing MBA. I have not. I didn't join IIM Mumbai. I did. I am currently a scientific officer in Nuclear Power Corporation India Limited. But if you have any doubt regarding preparation of an MBA course, you can also contact us, and I will try to help under my capabilities. And one thing I want to tell you is, like you may not have victories to tell about, but you will have the stories or of how you have fall and came out alive. तो ग्राइंड करते रहिए, आगे बढ़ते रहिए. वी हैव टू मेक इंडिया ग्रेट अगेन. थैंक यू.